Have you ever struggled with displaying meaningful foreign key information in your Flask-Admin forms? It can be quite a challenge, but don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand your frustration. It can be really annoying when you want to create a user-friendly interface, but the default settings just don't cut it. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I display the doctor type as a drop-down list in my Flask-Admin forms instead of just an integer input? This is a common issue when working with foreign keys in Flask-Admin. So, what's the problem here? The issue arises because Flask-Admin defaults to displaying foreign key fields as simple integer inputs. This can be confusing for users who need to select from a list of options. But don't worry, we can fix this. And stick around. I have a great solution for you at the end that will make your forms much more user-friendly. To display meaningful foreign key information in Flask-Admin forms, the user should start by customizing the doctor model. Specifically, they need to set the form args for the doctor type ID field. Next, the user should modify the doctor type model to ensure it returns the doctor type English name when displayed in the dropdown. This is done by implementing the Unicode method correctly. Now, the user needs to set up the relationship in the doctor model to link it with the doctor type model. This will allow Flask-Admin to understand the foreign key relationship. Finally, the user should register the custom view in Flask-Admin. This will ensure that the doctor model uses the customized form with the drop-down for doctor type ID. Fun fact, did you know that the first databases were just flat files? We've come a long way in making data management user-friendly. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adding a relationship from the doctor class to the doctor type class. They implemented this using a backref in the doctor type's doctor's relationship. With this change, the doctor type field appears as a drop-down list of doctor type names, and the doctor type ID field is removed by default, achieving the desired behavior. Here's a pro tip. Always test your forms after making changes to ensure everything displays correctly. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, your Flask-Admin forms should now display meaningful foreign key information. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.